What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I'm here to do an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. I did not go with the Max this year. I want to pretty much go with a smaller phone, especially rocking last year's 12 Pro Max. I thought I'd give a smaller phone a little bit, give it a try this year. I've rocked two Max versions within the 12 and the 11 in previous years. So let's start with the unboxing. Coming in a nice package here where we're talking about Apple's trying to be more eco-friendly, using less plastic, more biodegradable materials in the box, and the method of opening it. Now the iPhone Pro 13 biggest attribute is supposed to be the camera itself. So we're gonna find out how good the camera works. Let's see what's inside the box. Beautiful padded box. I went with the graphite black. It looked more gray. This is a really nice looking phone. So this phone has a 6.1 inch Super Retina display with the ProMotion, or in other words, the 120 hertz refresh rate on the screen. You know how Apple like to give you slick marketing names? Surgical steel along the side of it, ceramic mold glass on the back. The cameras protrude out just a little more on this one than on the 12 Pro. Real nice dual speakers, earpiece, bottom firing. Supposed to have way more antennas. We all know what's coming from the inside. No brick, power brick, but we do have lightning to see, and we have the books with the SIM injector tool, ejector, and your Apple sticker. But let's check out the size in comparison to the Pro. So as you can see, the 13 Pro is very small in comparison to the 12 Pro. And let's get the phone out that will be its competitor out in the market. S21 Ultra, way bigger phone than the normal 13 Pro. Now this is water resistant, IP68 rating. And again, the camera system, just very noticeably bigger to me than the 12 Pro. It protrudes out farther. It's just real interesting how much bigger that has got. And if you haven't had last year's model, you wouldn't notice it, but if you happen to have an older phone, you most definitely would notice how much larger that is in comparison to like an 11 or a 10 or anything like that. Now, who is this phone for? Now, if you have a 12 Pro or anything from last year, you do not, and I repeat, do not need to upgrade to this phone. This is a phone for somebody whose iPhone might be 2, 3, 4 years old. And even then, the 13 Pro is in competition with the 12 Pro, seeing that it's not that much of a big difference. So you can save even more money by going with a 12 over a 13 and have very similar features. But if you care what, if that cinematic mode means that much to you, to pay the $100 difference, then go with the 13. But if you can care less about that cinematic mode, then you might be more inclined to go with the 12. Anything 12, because they're basically the same phone. The only thing that separates the two are a few features, and I'm going to do a video on that a little later. The 12 Pro versus the 13 Pro. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing. I'm about to get this phone set up. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Be on the lookout for some accessory videos and some tempered glass videos I'm going to do. And again, until then, catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.